Guys, at the moment we're headed out on the bike to go out and meet up with some of the boys. I just got a call from Spud and he said that everyone's at the farm, so I'm gonna head over to the farm, see who's out, say hello to a few people, so let's get into the video. What's going on?
Nothing much, how are you?
Not too bad.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Hey YouTube!
For real? What happened? Yeah, I'm videoing. What happened? Apparently, like I missed like some cars or something.
Oh, his tie rod. His whole tie was
Both these tyre rods were
Brother
like
up.
this on the back.
Oh, look at this. He's doing skids.
Oh, he nearly hit us all.
Bro, what? Hold on, look
All
at this.
sitting on the corner there, we
Crazy,
nearly got
bro.
wiped out.
We're not doing it. What? Bro, I'll play the video. I will. All the boys are dropping it back. Oh, watch out, watch out. Yeah! You need a fender scrape. Please, what a bloody fender.
What's the YouTube channel? I need to fucking find
They adjust. Jasper. Pop it up, pop it up. Hey, yeah, boys. Focus, let me focus. Okay.